Good morning, or afternoon, or evening. I don't know. Whatever time you're watching this video, I hope you're having a good day, or night, or afternoon. Anyways, getting a late start for the day. It's 11 o'clock. I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. Let's switch it up. It's raining out. It's pissing down rain, actually. I might need a fucking boat to get where I'm going. But let's do DoorDash. Let's see what's going on. Let's do that for about an hour and then see if I make the same hourly as I would if I was doing Instacart. There's a few Instacarts out there right now, but I don't know. Let's just check it out. Maybe it might be good. Maybe I'll do that for an hour and then an hour of the other stuff. So I don't know. Let's see. I don't know how I'm really gonna record DoorDashing. But either way, let's figure it out, and it should be fun. Stay tuned. Alright, we got our first one. First dash of the day. Checking out Dash. I'm gonna dash a lot because I don't know, I just don't. You get out, you get in, you get out, you get in, you get out, get in. I just like go, shop, you get out one time, and then you deliver stuff. You get out like twice. But first one is Subway. It's right there. $4. Four motherfucking dollars. Going 2.5. Going 1.5, 2.5 miles or something like that. So $4. That's probably why I don't do Dash. But if you look at something better, you know, this is an hour. We do it for an hour and a half actually. See how much we make. First order, $4. Let's go. It's right down the street. It's right over here. Let's go. Let's go get this shit.
She said, which is fine, I wouldn't get but it wasn't a problem until one, like one had so many. She said, right, she said, if you're on call, you
Subway bag about to get wet. Okay, we got another one. That took longer than it should have, but that's why I don't do DoorDash. They didn't even start making 3 subs for $4. Anyways, I digress. I got another one, Chick-fil-A, $9.50 going 5 miles, I guess. Not terrible, not the best, but yeah, let's pick this up real quick and then go from there. Let's go. Look at this, road's flooded. Coming straight down that hill into these houses. Their whole backyard's flooded. Hell yeah. Alright, we dropped off that Chick-fil-A. Dude, there's flooding on a lot of these roads that are around here, which is perfect. Hold on. Yeah, let's get a little tighter. Yeah. Anyways, dropped off the Chick-fil-A. Took one for McDonald's that I had to drive to about 4 miles, but not bad. It's like $7 or something. So we'll go in here and see what the deal is with this. I think you just go in there and pick it up. I don't know. The rain let up a little bit, but I think it's coming in waves. So yeah, let's go get some Big Macs. I'm actually kind of hungry, man. I might get me some too. At least some fries or something. All right, let's go get this food.